Ugh, I'm feeling stressed just thinking about stress relaxation.
Are you okay? You seem, really stressed.
This is supposed to be helping, but when I squeeze it, it just stays squished. Imagine the sandball is your gasket material. You squeeze it, but when you let go, it doesn't push back. That means there's no pushback force.
So you're saying that's what happens when a gasket material experiences stress relaxation?
Exactly. Over time, stress relaxation causes materials to lose their ability to maintain a seal, and that leads to leaks, failed seals, and costly repairs.
That sounds like a nightmare for any application that depends on a reliable seal. Here, try this foam ball instead. Think of this as the perfect gasket material.
Now this is more like it. Unlike the sandball, this foam ball pushes back every time I release it. And that's what I want in a gasket. It maintains its pushback force over time, ensuring a reliable seal.
Right. Rogers Bisco and Pour-On foams are like this foam ball. They are high-performance materials that retain their pushback force, even after long periods of compression.
And this matters because if a gasket loses its pushback force, it's no longer sealing well. And that's a recipe for disaster in applications like EV battery enclosures, HVAC systems, or automotive gaskets.
Oh, okay. It's kind of like an Olympic weightlifter holding up a barbell. At first they can keep it up steady, but after a while, their arms start to shake, and they can't hold it anymore. Now imagine someone who's never lifted weights, trying to do the same thing. They'd struggle almost immediately.
That's a great way to think about stress relaxation. Some materials lose strength quickly, like the beginner weightlifter, but high-performance foams like Bisco and Pour-On are like the Olympic athlete. They stay strong and resist fatigue over time.
So that's why choosing materials with excellent stress relaxation properties is critical. Bisco and Pour-On materials make your seals reliable and your application run smoothly.
So next time you're feeling stressed or thinking about stress relaxation, remember what this foam ball and weightlifters can teach us about gaskets and sealing.
And, as always, the Rogers and TBP teams are here to help you find the right material for your application. In our next video, we'll dive into the top foam considerations. Stay tuned.